I'm Jill from Grown Up Dish. Let's make my 5-ingredient herb salad dressing. Ingredient 1 is a bunch of herbs. I washed these. This is cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, don't send me an email. Don't use cilantro. Use basil. Use parsley. Use a combination. Use whatever herbs you want. I'm going to cut the stems off. I'm going to throw the entire bunch into a blender or food processor. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. This is how I smash it, and I'm in a hurry. Okay, we're gonna use a half of a shallot. If you don't have a shallot, don't stress, just use a quarter of a red onion. It's off. Ta-da! You need 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain white vinegar, not measuring. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. And about a half a cup of olive oil, again, not measuring. Salt and pepper. Magic! Oh, it smells so good. Pour it into a container. You can obviously use it as a salad dressing, but you can also pour it on top of vegetables, pour it on top of rice, use it to marinate meat. And again, you can use whatever herb you want. So this one is obviously cilantro flavored, but it's great when you use basil, when you use parsley, when you use a combination. So make sure you try this 5-ingredient salad dressing.